Have you ever wondered how neural networks actually work? Well, it all starts with the input data. This might be time series data for a finance application, pixel intensities from a camera, or digitized sound for a personal assistant. These inputs are fed into the network's input layer. The data is then processed through multiple hidden layers where each neuron performs a specific calculation based on the inputs it receives. The outputs of the hidden layers are combined and processed through an output layer, producing the final output of the network. But how does the network learn to recognize patterns and relationships in the data? It's all about adjusting the weights of the connections between the neurons based on the feedback from the output layer while a network is being trained. This process, known as backpropagation, allows the network to improve its performance over time. So while the inner workings of a neural network may seem complex, the basic principles are actually quite simple. So there you have it, how neural networks work in 60 seconds.